I can't stand the way you make me feel. It might take some patience. I can't stand alone.
Hello, how are you? Today I'll show you how to make this easy, smooth, elegant bun. So let's get started with making a parting on the side we like. Then we want to select our side sections like I'm showing and clip them away for later. Then grabbing the rest of our hair, we want to make a middle ponytail, making sure everything is nice and smooth. You want to brush with a comb first and then make a ponytail. Pull a little bit hair on the crown to make it fuller and voluminous. Then you want to brush your ponytail, measuring how big our bun we want to make. We want to tie at this point our ponytail, but on last time make sure to pull your hair only halfway through. Then grabbing some bobby pins, you want to pin them at the base of our second elastic. Then we will release our sections, leave some hair out to frame your face, and then twist it lightly and pin it on the other side of the bun like I'm showing here, and repeat on the other side as well. Don't forget to tuck your into the bun the ends of our sections. Now you want to flatten out our created bun and pin it in place from the sides. You want to use some hairspray to fix it in place, and you're done! Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this bun. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Guys, if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys! Have a beautiful weekend everyone! See you soon in my next video. Bye!